Hi guys and welcome on GSM ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to allow to install unknown apps from Chrome or Samsung Internet on Samsung phones. So to do that, just go to settings and go down and tap on security and privacy. Go down again and tap on install unknown apps. And here let's read, installing apps from this source may put your phone and data at risk. Okay, and to do it, just enable here Chrome and let's go down. We have here Samsung Internet. We'll enable also this web browser. And now if you go online, on a web browser, you can install unknown apps directly from the browser. So it is very easy. I hope this tutorial to be useful for you and see you to the next. Have a nice day.